Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google DNS in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to add Google DNS to your systems, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your control panel, or you can directly search for View Network Connection. Just search for this, and here just right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then go to Properties. Now in Properties, you must see the option of Internet Protocol version 4 TCP over IPv4. Just click on this and then click on Properties. And here you have the option of use the following DNS server address. So just click on this and then enter this DNS server, which is preferred DNS server is 8888 and alternate DNS server is 8844. Once you have entered, just click OK, then close. Now you have successfully added Google DNS to your system. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.